In this question, you're asked to find the equation of lines which pass through 3, 2 and which make an angle of 45 degrees with the line x minus 2y is equal to 3. So if this line is x minus 2y is equal to 3, I want the lines which pass through 3, 2 and making an angle of 45 degrees with this line. Now you're asked to find the equations of these two lines, right? Now I know the point through which these two lines pass. So what else do I need to find the slope, to find the equation of the line? One more information. So that can be the slope of the line. So if I know the slopes of these lines, then I can very easily find the equation because I already have a point. So how do I find the slope? The slope is such that the angle between these two lines is equal to 45 degrees. So what is the slope of the given line? Minus of x coefficient by y coefficient is 1 by 2. Now m should be such that the angle between these two lines is 45 degrees. So you know the angle between, the formula for angle between two lines. Tan 45 degrees is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is m by 2. This implies 1 is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m mod. This implies 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m is equal to plus 1, or 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m is equal to minus 1. This implies 2m minus 1, 2m is equal to 3 plus m. So 2m is equal to 2 plus m plus 1, 3 plus m. So m is equal to 3, or 2m minus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus m. So 3m is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 1 by 3. So if a line has to make an acute angle of 45 degrees with the given line, the slopes can be either equal to 3 or minus 1 by 3. That means one line will have a slope of 3, the other line will have a slope of minus 1 by 3. So what are the equations of these lines? So y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x minus 3, or y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x minus 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 7, or 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3. So x plus 3y is equal to 9. So these are the two required lines.